Good morning mga kabahay, another day, another house tour. Andito tayo ngayon sa The Grand Park Place Village here in Imus, Cavite. This property is a single attached unit ready for occupancy with complete finish turnover. By the way mga kabahay, itong property natin is merong lot area of 150 square meters and total developed area of 197.5 square meters. As you can see sa ating turnover, ito po ay may fence and gate na inclusion. Meron na rin tayo ditong lamp post and then naka-emboss na po ang ating address here. And then meron din tayo ditong doorbell with concrete roofing. Dito naman po ang ating pedestrian gate. Welcome mga kabahay. So as you can see po on both sides, meron tayong pocket garden. And then dito naman po ang ating side papunta sa ating carport. And then ito naman po ang ating main door. So mamaya papasukan natin ang ating bahay. So ito pong ating property ay kaya mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan. As you can see po, covered ang half portion ng ating porch. And then dito naman po ang going to lanay area and service area. So ito namang area na to mga kabahay is our setback which has a 2 to 3 meters wide. And then as you can see, meron tayo ditong windows for our restroom. And then ito naman po is window for the bedroom number 1 sa ground floor. Meron tayo ditong provision for outlet. And then this one naman po is included sa ating turnover which is a 700 liters water tank. Ito naman po ang area wherein you can place your washing machine and dryer. Meron na siyang provision for outlet and then meron na ring faucet para sa ating water distribution. And then ito naman pong side na to is access going to the kitchen area. Meron tayo dito ang kitchen sink. And then dito naman po is meron ding included na outlet. Ito naman po ang pupuntahan natin is the side wherein you can place the lanay. And then meron tayo ditong sliding door. Access going to our living and dining area. Guys, pasukin natin ngayon ang ating bahay through the main door. So, ito po ang ating main access. Dito po sa ating main door, meron tayong keypad lock. And then, dito naman po, supposed to be is our living area. As you can see po, dito sa ating living area, meron na po tayong provision na outlet and telephone wire and then cable wire. And then this one is included din po sa ating turnover which is another interior dito sa ating living area which is wall cladding. And then pasok tayo guys. Papakita ko sa inyo dito sa likod ng ating main door is the original Panasonic circuit breaker. So mga kabahay, dito naman ang provision natin for the dining area. And this one naman po is the sliding door going to lanay area. So mga kabahay, dito naman tayo ngayon sa kitchen area. As you can see, meron tayong mini pantry dito. Included din po ang ating over and under cabinet. This one is for your microwave. And then dito naman po sa spot na to is your gas range. As you can see po, ang ating kitchen counter type is made from granite. So ito po, pakita ko sa inyo ang ating cabinet. So as you can see, tiled din po ang ating loob ng cabinet. Ito naman po mga kabahay ang ating access papunta sa ating service area. Ito po yung pinakita ko kanina sa ating video. So mga kabahay, dito naman tayo ngayon sa bedroom number 1 dito sa ating ground floor. So as you can see, ito pong ground floor natin na bedroom is kaya mag-accommodate ng single to double size bed. Meron na tayong included dito na hanging cabinet. Ito naman po ang ating access going to the restroom. So as you can see po, ang ating restroom is through and through. So mga kabahay, dito naman sa ating ground floor, meron tayong enough space dito sa area ng ating staircase wherein pwede nyo itong gamitin as storage area. So akyat naman tayo ngayon sa ating second. So akyat tayo ngayon dito sa ating second floor. Dito sa second floor natin, ang ating staircase is made of concrete and solid wood. Meron tayo ditong owning window for the natural lighting. Dito nga po pala sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. Ito is the bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and the master's bedroom. Sa ating bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, meron tayong connecting restroom door. So makikita nyo siya pagpasok natin dito sa ating bedroom 1. Mga kabahay, this is the bedroom number 1. As you can see po, naka-sliding window na tayo. Meron na rin siyang screen. And then, meron tayo ditong provision for window type aircon. Ito naman po is included the vanity area. Also this one, the built-in cabinet. Ito po yung sinasabi kong access natin going to the restroom. So this is a shared toilet and bath. Complete fixtures po siya. Meron na rin tayo ditong shower enclosure. So welcome here at the bedroom number 2. So this is the bedroom number 2. As you can see, mas malaki po ito compared to the bedroom 1. Kasama pa rin po ang ating vanity area, built-in cabinet, and then syempre meron pa rin tayo ditong window. This one naman po is provision pa rin for window type aircon. And ito po yung pinakita ko kanina na shared toilet and bath. Tara, pasukan naman natin ang ating master's bedroom. So, dito nga pala sa ating master's bedroom, meron tayong own toilet and bath. And then, complete fixtures po ang ating toilet and bath. Included po ang ating bathtub with shower enclosure na rin po. This one naman po is the space for your bed. So, kaya nito mag-accommodate ng queen size bed. Meron tayo ditong accent, which is a wall cladding. And then, ito naman po is a sliding window para sa ating natural lighting. Meron din tayo ditong included na built-in cabinets. Unlike to bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, ito po is mas malaki. 4 po ang doors nito. Kasama din ang ating vanity area. Siyempre, dito po sa master's bedroom, meron tayong access going to our balcony. So, this is the balcony area po. As you can see, maganda po ang view dito dahil wala pa naman pong mga obstruction na nakikita dito sa ating location. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating house tour dito sa ating Grand Park Place Village? So, if you are interested to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Von Charlie Tapawan of Exosio Properties, your PRC and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.